Oh yes, and you already know, fit isn't looking great. Oh shoot, I need to put some lotion on my legs. You know what I'm saying? All right, so the gym is only a few minutes from my house. I dumped the Planet Fitness one, and we're gonna go to. It's literally right across, like literally right around the building. The other one is. It's called Extreme Fitness here in Portland. Started this car or driven the car in a bit, and I used to drive it every day at the apartment complex, but here it's like every 3 to 4 days or a week after, you know. Nice little fun vlog, vlog number 2, because I think I already did a vlog number 1. This will be vlog numero 2. Man, who needs a GoPro when you got the iPhone 13 with the wide angle? You know what I'm saying? So we're about to go in, get a nice little workout. And yeah, pretty much it. Boom, I know you guys checking the car out, bro. Alright, I gotta close this. And Gymshark, go ahead and sponsor me, because this channel is gonna grow. Might as well invest in me. And you know what I'm saying? Send me some stuff right here. Send me a DM, and then just ship me some stuff, right, so I can review them. Back in bicep today. It's gonna be a great workout. I already got my pre-workout inside, tingling already. But yeah, workout is gonna be great. Gonna get a good pump. And I was gonna say something, man. I was gonna talk about my anxiety, but I'll talk about that here in a little bit. Let's go get this workout in real quick, and I'll see you guys in a minute. All right, so they got literally everything in this gym, and I really love it. Got a stretching. There's a lot more over there, but I haven't done pull-ups in a minute, so I'm gonna do that right now. And let's get it. So I like this gym a lot, honestly. I don't know why I didn't sign up here in the first place, but my pinky is really acting up because whenever I was doing the punching bag at crunch, I don't know if I punched incorrectly. I don't know if it's fractured or I don't know what's going on with this finger, but it's been hurting for the last 3 to 4 months. And every time I do pull-ups, anytime I do any kind of exercise, even dumbbells, it hurts. So I don't know. Dude, they got freaking, how many pounds is this, man? 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 80 pounds. That's a 160 pound dumbbell plus. That's crazy. All right, and we're back. Episode 1 done, and we'll continue doing these episodes where I try to motivate other people, and we're all gonna win together. Okay, we're all gonna win together. It's my mentality now. We're all gonna win together. We're gonna get out and do the things that we're supposed to. Need to buy some protein. I ran out of protein. I need to get some more chicken, rice, and yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. More videos like this coming soon. Man, it's gonna be a journey. I'm excited to look back after a few months of training hard and doing what I'm supposed to, and looking back at this footage to see how far I've come. You know, I want to, that's my goal now. My goal, 90 days. My goal is not to be as shredded as possible. I just want to maintain a good physique. I'm not gonna go crazy with like 5-6% low body fat. I'm not gonna do that. 10-15 healthy body fat percentage. I'll still be able to see my abs really nice and good. So that's the goal. I'm still trying to you know, have fun with my diet, and you know, I'm not trying to compete right now. Maybe in the future I do. I'm not trying to compete right now. I'm just trying to reach that goal that I've put myself to every single year, to get a nice physique and an achievable physique for me, because everybody has a different mindset. Everybody has a different goal. I'm not trying to be as shredded as possible. I'm not gonna do that anymore. I'm just gonna do this to, I guess, help people, average people, average Joe like me, go to the gym, work out, and live a healthy lifestyle. You know, because being too shredded is not healthy either. Before I sweat too much in here, thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video.